Taoiseach, this week people around the country will be enjoying the good weather that's currently forecast, but hot temperatures can be a real challenge for some in our communities, the elderly, the very young and people with underlying conditions. Once again, we're seeing record-breaking temperatures around Europe, with red alerts being issued in many countries, temperatures over 40 degrees expected. So sustained heat in summer is here to stay. Over the last year, I've been seeking information from the Department of Health and the HSE on how Ireland records the impact of heat waves on vulnerable populations. The HSE have admitted that heat-related deaths simply aren't recorded. The Minister herself has acknowledged that more needs to be done to improve recording in this area. If you don't measure a problem, you can't bring forward a real solution to it. So will you commit, Taoiseach, that your government will bring forward clear measurements about how heat waves are impacting vulnerable communities, particularly in the area of mortality?
The evidence-based approach is always to be recommended, and I think we should. And I think people should begin to measure the impact of severe heat. I suppose we hadn't had too many heat waves. That's the sense anyway. That I mean, people are amazed this week in terms of the heat. It's a serious matter. We're looking at 40 degrees across the water tomorrow. Like, that is very, very serious from a health point of view, from a climate point of view, and we do need to start adjusting because climate change is here. And we also need to start then changing our systems to meet that reality, and therefore, certainly on the health perspective, on the public health perspective, ordinarily it's on the cancer front, and that's on sun screening and so on and so on, but there's a very real health issue in terms of such high temperatures, dehydration and so on, and so therefore it does demand and command, and I'll talk to the health or the HRB maybe to do some research on this.